I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. Welcome back to Health Talk. I'm here with Dr. Steven Bromberg, veterinarian in Coral Springs. Steven, something that always interests me is the recommended neutering of pets. Can you talk about why that's recommended?
Sure. It's never a question of should you or shouldn't you. It's simply a question of when's the best time to do it. The obvious spaying of a female is to prevent them from getting pregnant. However, if they're spayed at a young age, you can almost guarantee never getting breast cancer and avoiding uterine infection, something called pyometra that a lot of older unspayed females unfortunately succumb to. So it's good preventative, proactive medicine to spay a young female, and conversely in a male, they get prostate problems, urinary tract issues like old men do, and the rare prostate cancer as well, which is all avoidable by doing neutering at an early age.
Let's talk about, one of the reasons that I miss my dog terribly, but since our children are no longer young, we travel a lot, and I always felt uncomfortable leaving my dog in a facility. Do you guys board animals at your place?
Absolutely. One of the advantages of the facility that I merged with is they have an indoor dog park. We're talking swimming pool, we're talking playground. For animals that get along with others, it's wonderful group play. For those that don't, there's individual play. So it's really a nice vacation for the dog as well while the owners are on vacation. The suites have nice bedding and TVs. They can watch TV. You can watch your pet online. It's really state-of-the-art facility. And,
So each animal will come in to have his own bedroom?
Sure.
Really? Well, that's terrific.
Oceanside view.
Ocean, that's fantastic. You're talking about swimming. My brother-in-law had a couple of Labrador retrievers, and the first time this big Labrador came over my house, he saw the pool in the back and just dove right in.
They love to swim.
Dove and swam laps. He would come to the shallow end, jump out, run around to the deep end and dive and swim laps. And this went on for about 15 minutes. He just loved it.
Wonderful exercise.
The certain breeds are more prone to certain congenital problems.
Absolutely. The list, I hate to tell you, is yay long in terms of...
What's the most popular breed in America now?
Most popular breeds are Labrador and Golden Retriever, by far.
And do they have certain congenital problems?
The large breed dogs are prone to hip issues. As a rule, large breed dogs don't quite have the same lifespan that small breed dogs do. There's a lot of interbreeding now, so the Labradoodle and Golden Doodle and Shih Tzus and Maltipoos, they're all combinations of dogs trying to mix the best characteristics of each, and it's very creative.
Is it true that a mutt may be more healthy than a purebred dog?
It's somewhat of a myth or an old wives' tale, but Mother Nature does a wonderful job, and yes, they tend to be
Are the blended breeds healthier, or they're just bred for certain characteristics?
Again, if they're bred for certain characteristics, so if you put together a good genetic pool, you're going to have a healthier pet. If you're passing on a quality that's for show, like you mentioned the Shar-Pei earlier in the program, the Shar-Pei has a lot of eye issues. The Shar-Pei has a lot of ear issues, a lot of skin issues. So if you're mixing that quality with something else, you're probably fostering, a genetic problem.
All right. Well, we don't want to do that.
No, we don't.
I'll be back with you in just a minute. It's Dr. Kenny Levine with Health Talk on WEYW19.com. Thank you.
Bang. Good boy.
When you're smiling.
First impressions are priceless.
I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. For the past 37 years, we've been helping patients of all ages restore their smiles. Today, with modern technology and lasers, we're able to treat infants of 7 days old. We treat their parents. We help them not only keep their teeth, but restore function for the rest of their lives.
Call 954-603-7109.